Hello, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today I have an unbagging from Everyday Deals. I have 2 diamond paintings and a paint by number and a tray. And I bought this tray because I have a purple one, but that one is good for light drills, and I need one for darker drills. And they are very good. I have been using it. This one hasn't broken yet, and they're deep, and the drills, they move smoothly. Let me get one pack of the ones that I'm doing to show you. Let me get this brown to see how it looks in here. It's a darker drill. Let me put this aside so you'll be able to see. I have to be careful because my hands are a little screwed. So, and this is too little of a, but they are lined and you can see them very well in there. And I like it. The crease is deep, so they're gonna stay there. Okay, and then you open over here. And then you put it back. Another thing came off, and then you close it. So this is a tray that I like. That's what I got another one, because I need another one. I have a purple one, but that one I can use it only for light color drills, and I don't have it on hand, and but I needed the blue one. Okay, hold on just a second. Sorry guys, I needed to put the fan on. Okay, let's see. Let's go with the paint by number first, and then we take care of the diamond paintings. Okay, let's see what we got over here. So I hope everybody's doing okay. I hope you enjoy your summer. Okay, we got the colors. Yes, I like this. This I like. I'm gonna show you in a moment. Okay, nothing else in here. Okay, here is the picture, and it says professional color paper. Oh, so that means that what you see over here, that's how it's gonna come out. It's supposedly to come out. Here it is. I just wanted a simple bird in a tree. That's beautiful, that combination of colors. That's beautiful, beautiful colors. Let me see, how many colors do it have? We got 224. Yeah, it has 24 colors. We got 2 ones, 224. And that's it. Here are the colors. They're nice and pretty. Okay. Let me put it aside. Let me put this. And now you got the brushes, which I usually don't use, so I give it to my husband for his little one. You got the metal hooks for hanging the canvas. Okay, and let's see what we got over here. It seems, oh, it's a squidge over here, but it seems like it's a nice cloth canvas. Let's see. Wait, this side over here. It's a portrait. We got, oh, this is neat. You see, I like this. I like this. This is the way it should be. Okay, so the canvas doesn't get all messed up. We got the, all right, I like this. This is a big plus. A big plus getting the chart, because if you make a mistake, then you can come and back to the chart and fix the color. Okay, and according to the chart, yeah, we're gonna have a lot of little cells in here. Okay, so this is the chart. Let's take a look at the canvas. Okay, the canvas, it's not that big. It's not that big. Take a look at this. Let me put the diamond paintings on the side, and you can see, okay, the numbers are clear, the lines are very dark, it's not colored. You got really, 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 really tiny cells. Here they are. Let's see if we can show you. You got tiny cells in there. 23 and a 2. The 23 is on the top, the 2 is at the bottom. 4, 5, 6 right there. But you can see them. Hey guys, I got cataracts, okay, on my eyes, and I can see this number. If you have a better eyesight than me, you can do this. I don't let anything, you know, detain me, not even my hands. I rest my hand because my husband insists, but this is a cutie that I can't wait to do it. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let me put it back. Let me, this is gonna be easy. It's gonna be a little fast, so, you know. But I still have to learn how to, learn and practice the blending. That's something that is, you know, has a higher learning curve, and I need to, you know, get on with it. So I'm gonna put it over here aside. That's a nice, thank you, Everyday Deal. That's a cute, cute, cute bird, and I love the fact that it had the chart. Okay, so let's get on it. Let's do this one. This is a 30 by 40. Look like this is a square one. It has 35 colors. Yep, it's a square one. You get the toolkit, the pen with a cushy, and the 2 wax, 1 multiplacer, and let me get it for you. You get a tweezer. Okay, although these metal tweezers are not that. You get a 4-placer. You get a pen with a cushion. The pen has some sparkle on it. And you get a 6. No, this is about a 9 or 10. This is a 9 multi-placer. 2 big pieces of wax and the whiteboard. Okay. So that is for that. And here it is. This is appropriate for Thanksgiving. It has a 35 colors. It's a 30 by 40. It has the DMC code, and it tells you the quantity of drills. Okay. Let me see. I gotta be careful. So yeah, the glue is okay. You get the color table, the color list on the top and at the bottom. First time I see this. But it's okay. The canvas is not that soft, but it's not that hard, and it has some sparkles on it. Take a look at this. It has some sparkle also in the drill area. But I don't like that grit line, because the problem with the grit line is that if the drill is not well put, you're gonna take more time on doing this one. These are the colors. Oh great, they're bagged. They are not on those 200 little baggies. Take a look at this. All fall colors. Fall, very appropriate. Very appropriate. Okay. So let me put this aside. Let's get to the other one. Let me remind you, September 30 is the date. The date. I'm working on it mentally. I still have to write the stuff. I still have to write it. This is also a 30 by 40, but this is round. Yeah. Here is your standard toolkit. We're gonna take a look at these drills because these are easier. Okay, the canvas is soft and it says happy fall. How appropriate. And it only has 19 colors with the DMC code. Yeah, very hard glue. Very hard glue. Very hard glue. Very hard glue. Oh, this is pretty. I like this. I like the pumpkins. Take a look. Oh, I didn't show you the drill film. Or the other one. Yeah, you're gonna need definitely you're gonna need a light pad. Take a look at the drill film. Let me show you the drill film of the other one. Yeah, you're gonna need a light pad. There's a lot of dark places in here, but the symbols are clear. Okay, and this one, you're gonna need some light pad because of this. The W is a dark brown. It's a dark brown background. 3371. But take a look at these Beautiful, colorful fall colors. Take a look at the and happy fall. That's beautiful. That's neat. I think I'm gonna be doing this one pretty soon. Okay, let's take a look at the drills. Because this one, I do get them out of the packet. It's only what, 19 colors? Yeah, it's not that many. It's only 19 colors and they're round. And it's a one train. Let's see. Yeah, we have a lot of lighting over here today because it's dark. Here they are. Beautiful. Fall colors. All fall colors. Beautiful drills. It has quite a bit of dimples on it, but they don't affect the placement. Okay, usually the dark colors, because these ones are very pretty. Take a look at that one. And they're sparkly. The package also has the DMC code. It tells you also the size, 30 by 40. More fall colors. That's beautiful. Here's the 3371, which is the background. The dark brown. Those are beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful colors. And this is quite a cutie for the fall, to hang it in your house, like the door outside. Like I live in an apartment, people come down the stairs, I put it outside, they're gonna see it. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Have a wonderful fall time, guys and girls. Okay, don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.